Well, here's what we're tracking heading into the weekend. Friday mainly dry, but all that wintry mix starts arriving during the day Saturday gradually. It may start light with a little bit of a mix with some snow, freezing rain and sleet, and then primarily freezing rain and sleet later in the day Saturday. And our main concern as far as any icing, as far as power outages and travel, will be during the day Saturday and especially Saturday evening, as many areas may stay at or just below freezing. And the warming will take place at different rates locally, especially overnight Saturday night into Sunday. But I do believe by Sunday it is mainly rain and heavy rain at that. So at that point, that's where the icing stops. Melting occurs with some of the heavy rain. But after the heavy rain ends, well, temperatures take a plunge. That leads to another issue. Some black ice Sunday night into early Monday morning. And as we watch those anxious hours, late Saturday night, we're watching the radar and, of course, the temperatures, because just a small change by a degree or two means the difference between icy versus wet. That's going to be the challenge coming up as different rates of warming occur locally across our region. Let's go through early onto the day Friday morning. A couple of spotty showers to the south early, otherwise a cloudy start, temperatures in the 30s. The one thing you'll notice on Friday, it's going to be breezy. It's going to be gradually colder, a little late day sun, but that breeze, you'll feel that chill coming in. 40s out of the 30s by late day. Most of Friday evening's dry. By early Saturday morning, our in-house graph model shows a little moisture trying to move on in. Now this will be battling dry air initially. As that starts to happen, you tend to get some light snow, sleet mixed in, but as temperatures start warming from up above, up over that cold air, it then transitions to more, say, freezing rain and sleet. So I don't want to leave out our northern counties here, parts of the plateau up towards Crossville. You may see for a little while some snow showers before more sleet arriving, and it could be some heavy sleet at times as well. And these amounts are generally light through midday, but once we get to the afternoon, notice what happens. More of that moisture overspreads the region. A lot of areas are remain below freezing, but some, like the city and to the south with the aid of a southeast breeze, start getting just a little bit above freezing for a little while, which may transition that to just rain. Others shut off by that wedge of cold air coming in from the east, therefore hovering near freezing. So that's going to be the critical time Saturday evening, Saturday night, where temperatures ease back to near freezing and for some areas hold there through late Saturday evening. There's some indications that during the night, Saturday night, early Sunday, the south wind takes over, starting to push some areas above freezing. But again, I've seen this in past events. Some areas more stubborn to start warming. Cold valley pockets, even high elevations where the temperatures do get stuck where it's cold, may stay at or near freezing through Sunday morning, allowing that longer duration of some icing. But gradually, after early Sunday morning, that surge of southerly wind hopefully gets everybody above freezing, because by that time, heavy moisture moves in. So you don't want any more icing. You just want generally rain to ease the icing scenario. And that indeed could occur during the day Sunday and through Sunday afternoon as temperatures surge between 35 and 40, and that's when very heavy rain arrives. We're talking rainfall amounts exceeding 2 inches in spots. Then on the back side of all this could end as a little bit of a wintry mix with some snow showers and a brief mixture afterward, but that's going to be very, very light. First of all, look at the rainfall amounts, 2.5 inches. Therefore, by Sunday night, when all this ends, all the runoff from that could cause black ice early Monday morning. So several stages to this event. And as far as the icing, it's going to vary between locations because of the exact timing of when you start to warm. But there's a potential through Saturday evening through early Sunday, a quarter, half inch in spots. That's enough to cause some tree damage, some power outages, and icing on roadways before things become mainly wet during the day on Sunday. So several stages of this to watch. And I mentioned again Monday morning with that plunge in temperatures, the risk of some black ice. Not only that, that's the arrival of the first round of Arctic air. Folks, we may stay below freezing or below average with temperatures through late week and into the next weekend. So we could finish the month of January well below average with several rounds of Arctic air moving in. This could be just the beginning. 7-day forecast shows that freezing rain sleet mixture Saturday, heavy rain on Sunday, and then our temperatures take the first plunge early in the week. Temperatures as low as 10, even some single digits Tuesday morning for another round of Arctic air late into the week.
All right.